Hi you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna be sharing you some few tips and tricks you can actually make your eyes look bigger and brighter than usual. So as you can see, my eyes are looking slightly bigger. Okay, so your eyes can look like this too. You should have to just make sure that you follow some tips and tricks. Okay, so after that your eyes will look way more brighter. Okay, so without any further talking and just let's just start with the video. Okay, so I have my full face of makeup on and my eyes are remaining. So you just want to start with priming your lids. You should prime your lids before you start any eye makeup. Priming your lids is very important for you just enhance the look of your eyes. You can use any concealers, any lid primer, just pat it on and set it with some translucent powder. So I have did the same over here, and now I'm gonna be starting up with my eyeshadow, and I'm gonna be taking this palette. It's from Maybelline. This is the Nudes palette. It has very brown tone shades going on, very smoky shades. It has black, cool tone brown and golden and every only brown shades. So this one is perfect for this look. And for start I'm gonna be taking this, actually not this, I'm gonna be taking this color over here. It's a very light grayish brown kind of a shade, and I'm gonna be using to my crease as my transition. Okay, so now to create a depth in our outer V here, I'm gonna be taking this brown shade to sort of create a depth. Remember not to use too dark eyeshadows as we want our eyes to look bigger and brighter, and using a lot of dark eyeshadow can do the just opposite thing, which we don't want. Okay, so now I'm gonna be taking this slightly shimmery shade over here to my lid, like halfway through my lid. So it is a lighter shade and with shimmer in it, so it will gonna make your eyes look brighter and bigger. Okay, so now I'm gonna be taking this shimmery shade over here. This is the lightest shimmery shade to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone using a very small brush like this. Here comes the pro tip. I'm going to be using the kajal, the black kajal, to tight line my upper waterline. It will gonna make my lashes a fuller look. Okay, next you should use a white eye pencil. This is from Deborah Milano, and use it to your lower lash line, just the halfway through, like till your eyeball. You can use till here, not your entire lid, but just halfway. Okay, so for liner, I'm gonna be making the thinnest possible line as close to my lash line, and just slightly flick above from here. You should make sure that the line you make is very thin, is as thin as possible. Okay, so that way your eyes will look elongated and also bigger. Okay, and the space between your eyebrow and your lashes, the lid space, it will also gonna make it will also gonna look bigger slightly, if you know what I mean. Okay, so as you watch closely, I have slightly flick my liner at the end to make it look like slightly longer, and I have created a very thin line closer to my lash line. Okay, so the same you want to do to your eyes to make it look bigger and brighter. Okay, so this step is completely optional, but if you want you can do this. Just take some brown eyeshadow, this one, and like this, and just dip it with some black, just little bit, and just slightly do your lower lash line, okay, with a very light hand. Just slightly you just smudge it out. So it also helps in creating the appearance of a big eye. Okay, so before applying mascara, just curl your lashes, okay. Curling your lashes make a very huge difference, so just curl your lashes before you apply mascara. Okay, can you see this? It makes huge difference when you curl your lashes and apply mascara. It really is. And your eyes will just open up. Okay, so the things you should take care before applying mascara is that deposit more product on your roots, not your tips but your roots. Okay, start with your roots and go like this, go upwards. Okay, by using this trick, it will just open up your lashes like a fan. Okay, open up like this, which gives your eye a more rounder and preciser look that you are demanding, and it will helps your curl to stays longer when you apply like this, and it will also give you fuller lashes. Okay, that's it. Can you see the difference, both of the eyes? I think this eye looks bigger as compared to this eye. If you feel the difference same that I am feeling right now, please comment down below how much you like this, and I'm gonna be doing my other eye, and I'll be back. Okay guys, so I hope you like this video, and if you follow these tricks, do let me know in the comments below. Share your experience and give this video a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button, and I shall see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, and all the links of the products that I've used in this video will be in description box below. So don't forget to check it out, and with that I'm signing off. Bye bye, take care.